how to get most out of this course. Here I will give you a PDF course outline. In this course outline, everything is described, everything is instructed. This is a skill-based education system. This is a skill-based course, so you have to learn by doing. Most of the instructors, most of the students, I have trained many students. They told me that, sir, why didn't you give me so much of hand notes and some other resources? I always say them, this is a skill-based education, so it's best to practice by yourself. So here in the instructions column, you can see that the learn by doing. So you will just follow my lecture and then you will practice by yourself according to my instruction. Then you will learn the skills properly. In some lectures, exercise file is a must. So as a newbie, as a beginner, you can't go through the details. So in that cases, I have included downloaded exercise files, and you can download it from the bonus section. So here from lecture 59, I will give you exercise files and you will download it, and then you will practice along with my classes. So that's the best way of learning any skill based thing. So here in Excel course, if you follow my instructions, definitely you will be an expert in Microsoft Excel. So if you need to learn anything, if you need to know anything, just ask me questions. I will reply you, I will help you, I will guide you through the whole course. So let's get started.